Yo, ça qu'a fait guys, c'est Samuel Dave.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Kelly.
It's your girl Magda.
So aujourd'hui on est tourné pour nous présenter une nouvelle vidéo, mais comme on va voir nous ensemble avec un guest qui c'est Magda. So qui ça que nous allons faire? Nous allons apprendre à parler créole et puis tout lui-même nous allons apprendre nous parler portugais, man.
Yeah. So yeah, if you probably follow me on Instagram, down below in the description.
Yeah, et puis tu vas voir Instagram nous devant nous là guys. So probably aller follow nous et puis tu vas aller follow Magda sur Instagram nous devant là tu. Yeah, so you ready?
I'm ready.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, so nous allons commencer guys. Nous allons j'aime te dire nous allons apprendre à parler créole et puis tout lui-même nous allons apprendre à parler portugais parce que lui-même sont portugaises. So nous allons commencer. We're gonna start. So are
You want me to start first?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can talk first.
Is there anything specific you want me to teach you?
Just don't say any. Like,
anything.
Don't
Nice.
use any bad words.
Okay.
That's all.
So, hola.
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 Como?
Como?
Hola,
Como?
como estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Como estas?
Does that mean how?
Yeah,
hello,
hi, how are you? Yeah.
You see,
I
I mean, that one is easy.
That one's easy.
it's like Spanish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, say bonjour.
City.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment est?
Como est?
That was good.
That was
Bonjour.
good.
That was
Como
good.
est?
Say
Does
it
that
again.
mean hi, how are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same
Oh, how's it going?
Like
Yeah.
how are you? How's it going? Say it.
Okay. Bonjour, como est?
Yeah, that was good. Good job.
Alright, now say muy bien.
Muy bien.
Ooh.
That
It's
was
like,
good.
it's like you said muy bien.
Yeah, it's like muy bien, but yeah, it's muy bien. Alright, go ahead now. Your turn.
Eu
Eu
vivo
vivo
nos
nos
Estados.
Wait, what?
Eu
Eu
vivo
vivo
nos
nos
Estados
Estados
Unidos.
Unidos.
Eu vivo nos Estados Unidos.
Eu vivo nos Estados Unidos.
I live in
What?
the United States. Eu
Eu
vivo
vivo
nos
nos
Estados
Estados
Unidos.
Unidos.
Now your turn.
Eu
Vivo
vivo
nos
nos
Estados Unidos.
Unidos. What's
Eu-
Unidos? It's like
United
USA?
States. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Eu
Vivo
vivo
nos
Yeah.
nos
Estados Unidos.
Estados.
Oh, Estados
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 Okay.
Unidos.
Unidos.
Estados Unidos.
Eu vivo nos Estados Unidos.
Yeah.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, that was
that's
good. That was
Alright,
good.
alright. Say moi
Muy.
prale.
Say it slower.
Moi
Muy.
prale
Parler.
Haiti.
Haiti.
Yeah.
Was that bad?
Yeah,
That
that's
was
good. That's good.
How can
Don't
you
want
do
to
that?
say
I don't know. I think it's because like we like use our tongue a lot to talk in Portugal too.
Oh, yeah.
Like the way we like use our So
Say
I
it
think it's
again.
kind of easy.
Moi
Muy.
prale
Parler.
Haiti.
Haiti.
Oh, that's good.
Bro, you
I love
so
Haiti.
good.
No?
It's like I'm going to Haiti.
Oh, I'm going to Haiti.
Yeah.
Alright, say moi
Muy.
habiter
Habiter.
États-Unis.
Es-
États-Unis.
États-Unis.
Alright, moi
Muy.
habiter
Habiter.
États-Unis.
États-Unis.
Your turn.
Muy.
Mhm.
Habiter.
Mhm.
États-Unis.
Zini. Yeah, there you go.
That wasn't bad.
Yeah, that was
Okay.
good.
Not bad.
Alright, now it's your turn.
Eu
Eu
amo
amo
Portugal.
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 It's like I love Portugal.
Yeah, we have to say it our way. Portugal.
Portugal.
Oh hell no.
Alright, say
So
it
ready?
again.
Portugal.
Portugal. Portugal.
Portugal.
Portugal.
Yeah.
Portugal.
E. Okay. Eu
Eu
amo
amo
Portugal.
Portugal.
E
E
quero
quero
ir
ir
visitar.
visitar.
I love Portugal and I want to visit.
Eu
So eu
quero
amo.
Amo.
Say
amo
yes.
visito.
Portugal.
No. You're skipping words.
Wait,
You're skipping words. Eu amo
amo
Portugal.
Portugal.
E
E
quero
visitar.
Okay. Eu amo Portugal.
You lost.
Quero. I mean, what was
Quero,
it?
yeah.
Visitar.
See, he's getting better. See?
Yeah.
At least he's not skipping words like you.
Say it again.
Eu
Eu
amo
amo
Portugal.
Portugal.
E
E.
Quero.
Quero.
Visitar.
Visitar. That's like a big phrase. Eu quero.
Não, eu.
Amo.
Eu.
Amo.
Portugal.
E.
Quero. Visitar. I love Portugal and I want to visit.
Portugal.
Okay, say.
Quero visitar.
You're doing good. You are too, but you're skipping words here and there.
I
That's
say
okay.
Mwe gangu.
Gangu.
Mwe
Gangu.
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 I'm gonna spit my gum out of it.
Say mwe gangu.
Wait, can you say it slower?
Mwe
Gangu.
gangu.
Mwe gangu.
Yeah, that is good.
Say mwe
Mwe
soif.
Mwe soif.
Yeah, that one is
Bro,
good. That one is
I think you're better than Tyler.
I mean, come on.
Alright.
I say.
Make sure you leave that on the video too.
I say.
Alright, your turn.
Say.
My turn?
Yeah, your
turn.
turn.
My turn.
Go ahead.
Okay. Let's say. O dia
Tia.
está
Está.
muito
Muito.
lindo.
Lit.
O dia está muito.
O dia
O dia
está
está
muito
muito
lindo.
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 Lindo? What's that mean?
The day is beautiful.
Oh.
Isn't it? So nice out.
Muy dia.
O dia
O dia.
está
Está.
lindo.
Lit.
If you want lindo,
Lindo.
beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay.
If you want to say sunny, sol.
So.
Say it again.
O
dia
está.
That one is hard.
O dia está lindo.
O dia está lindo.
Yeah.
O dia está lindo. Okay. O dia está lindo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
O dia
Yeah.
está lindo.
Yeah, that's too bad.
That's easy.
Okay, you want me to make it harder?
No.
Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah.
Okay, say mwe
Pali.
Kreyol.
Kreyol, not
Kreyol.
Wait, say it again.
Mwe
Pali.
Kreyol. Kreyol. Yeah.
Creole.
Say.
Mwe Pali. Creole.
Kreyol.
I can't say it. Wait,
Alright.
say it again. I want to make sure I say it good. Like, say it again. Mwe
Pali.
Pali.
Kreyol.
Kreyol.
Creole.
Kreyol.
Creole.
Kreyol.
Creole.
Yeah. You have to
Kreyol.
say yo.
Yeah.
Creole.
Kreyol.
Mwe Pali Creole.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, say viens
Viens
belle.
belle.
Viens
Viens
belle.
belle. Viens belle.
Yeah.
Life is beautiful. Viens belle.
How do you know that?
Yeah.
You got it.
Okay, say. Oh, no, it's your
It's
turn.
my turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can go harder. You ready?
This is hard to think about at the moment. I should have thought about this before. Eu gosto muito de... Não, da.
What?
Eu gosto muito da rapariga.
What?
No.
Gapatika?
That's two.
No, that's no. I can't.
No,
Ka. Oh hell no!
What's that mean? What's the old phrase?
Wait.
Car. Takua car.
Eu gosto
muito
da
da
Okay, we'll change it to menina. It's the same thing.
What now?
Okay, you wanna start over?
Menina. Oh yeah, start over.
Eu gosto muito da menina sentada ao pé de mim.
The meat.
You know what I mean?
That's too long, bro.
I really like the girl sitting next to me.
Oh,
Okay. Alright.
We're best friends.
We
Sid and
are.
I.
Okay, say mwe
Vle
ali
ali
Haiti.
Haiti.
Yes,
I want to move to Haiti.
I want to go
Yeah,
to Haiti.
it's like it's the same
Yeah.
thing. Say it again.
Can you say it again?
Moi,
Moi,
vle,
vle,
ali,
ali,
Haiti.
Haiti.
Ah.
Moi, ali,
Vle,
vle, ai,
Ali.
Haiti.
It's like moins,
Moi,
vle,
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 ale, ale,
ale,
Haiti.
Haiti.
Yeah.
moi,
Moi,
vle,
Ali.
ai,
Not
Haiti.
I, ale,
ali,
Haiti.
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 Yeah.
Moi, vle,
Mhm.
ali,
Haiti.
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 Haiti. Haiti.
Alright,
It's like IT.
Mhm.
Okay.
It's your turn.
alright, my turn?
Yeah, go
Alright,
ahead.
okay. Moi,
Moi,
remets,
rem,
remets,
remets,
lumière. Lumière. Lumière.
lumière,
Lumière.
lumière,
Lumière.
lumière,
You said lumière.
Lumière. Alright,
that's
lumière
what I
is
said.
more easier.
lumière,
Yeah, lumière.
Moi,
moi,
remets,
remets,
Lumière.
lumière,
Yeah.
moi,
remets,
remets,
Lumière.
lumière,
Yeah.
moi, remets, lumière.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I love the light.
Yeah.
I love the light.
Alright, you have the last one for us? No?
I'm gonna have to make the last one hard.
Alright, go
Ah,
ahead.
yeah.
I've been
Go
pretty
for
easy.
it.
I've been pretty easy on you
Okay,
guys, so
go
I have to
ahead.
make it hard.
Yeah, it's good.
Hold on. Minha
Minha.
estação.
Estação. It's like some Chinese word.
Yeah, I know.
You're talking about my language being Chinese. I mean, okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Eu.
Eu.
No, I'm sorry. Minha
Minha.
estação.
Estação.
Está.
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 São.
São.
Favorita.
Favorita.
É. O. Verão.
Wait, is this a paragraph?
Não.
Oh, okay.
Verão.
Viral.
Porque
Porque
gosto
gosto
de
de
ir à
a
praia.
praia. Is that a story or something?
I wanna
No,
go to the
my
beach.
favorite season is the summer because I like to go to the beach.
Right.
Can you teach us how to say 1 to 10?
Yeah.
1 through 10.
Yeah.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
7,
6,
6,
7,
8.
No, that's
That's
Spanish.
Spanish.
No.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7.
8,
7,
Wait, what? It's like
Sete.
7. Oh,
Sete.
7,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
dish. Like dish?
Your team go 1. I mean, sorry.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
8,
8,
8.
8,
Oh, yeah.
9,
9,
10.
10.
Yeah.
can you do that?
That was good.
Was it good?
That's,
You know,
good.
Okay,
That's
don't gas
good.
me up. Come on.
You too good, Maggie. Good job.
Yeah,
Good
you
job.
too good.
Thanks.
Good job.
You're too good.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so si la ken ap mette fè nan video, an ap djou mersi pasko te gade. Jan nou te djou lan, ali follow li sou Instagram. Ki Instagram ou?
Mag de Silva, yeah.
Just Mag de
Just
Silva.
Mag de Silva.
Yeah, do wap Instagram ni devan la guys, so al probably ali follow li, epi tou follow Jefferson, follow sou Instagram. Yeah, di nou sa wap pase de video a, di nou resko reme video a nan, kommente yo.
Leave a like.
Yeah, like video, reme
Deixem
video
gosto.
an. Deixem gosto.
Deixem gosto.
Deixem gosto.
Deixem gosto.
Deixem gosto.
Esse vídeo.
No vídeo.
No
vídeo.
Deixem
gosto
gosto
no
no
vídeo.
vídeo.
Reme video a. Na próxima fois pour uma prochaine vidéo. Peace out.
Bye guys.